Welcome. My name is Reaz, and this is my channel Echo Envision. If you're interested in, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the thumbs up button for support. Here are 5 of the best financial books you should read for personal finance, investing, and wealth building. 1. The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham. Widely regarded as the Bible of value investing, this book is written by Benjamin Graham, Warren Buffett's mentor. It teaches readers the principles of analyzing stocks, valuing companies, and understanding the psychology of the market. The book stresses disciplined investing, managing risk, and staying rational during market ups and downs. Ideal for anyone looking to understand long-term investing principles and make sound financial decisions based on intrinsic value rather than speculation. Always invest with a margin of safety. This means buying investments priced well below their true value to protect against errors in judgment or market volatility. Successful investing is more about controlling your emotions and less about market timing. The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham, a classic guide to value investing by the father of the concept, explains the principles of disciplined investing, managing risk, and understanding market behavior. Key focus on long-term strategies and margin of safety rather than short-term market fluctuations. 2. Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. This book contrasts the financial mindsets of 2 father figures in Robert Kiyosaki's life: his real father, Poor Dad, and his best friend's father, Rich Dad. It focuses on how the wealthy build and manage wealth differently than those in the middle and lower classes. The author explains the importance of financial education, entrepreneurship, and building assets over liabilities. Perfect for beginners who want a motivational and straightforward introduction to wealth building principles and mindset shifts. Highlights the differences between working for money, employee mindset, and having money work for you, investor mindset. Emphasizes the importance of financial education and building assets. Acquire assets like real estate and businesses instead of liabilities to achieve financial freedom. Don't work for money, make your money work for you. Focus on acquiring income-generating assets, like businesses, real estate, or investments, instead of accumulating liabilities that drain your finances. 3. Your Money or Your Life by Vicki Robin and Joe Dominguez. This book is a game changer for anyone wanting to rethink their relationship with money. It provides a step-by-step program to help you gain control of your finances, reduce expenses, and align your spending habits with your personal values. It's not just about saving money but also about achieving financial independence and leading a meaningful life. If you're looking to escape the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle or reassess what truly matters in life, this book is for you. Your time is money. Every dollar you spend represents time spent earning it. Spend and save intentionally to create a fulfilling, purpose-driven life while working toward financial independence. A comprehensive guide to transforming your relationship with money and achieving financial independence. Helps you assess if your spending aligns with your values and life goals. Focus on mindful spending and saving to achieve a fulfilling life with financial independence. 4. The Millionaire Next Door by Thomas J. Stanley and William D. Danko. Based on extensive research, this book reveals the habits and lifestyles of real millionaires in America, many of whom are not flashy or extravagant. Instead, they live modestly, save diligently, and invest wisely. The book dispels common myths about wealth, showing that becoming a millionaire is achievable with discipline and smart financial habits. Anyone who wants a realistic approach to building wealth without needing a high income or luxurious lifestyle. Wealthy people are often those who live below their means. Building wealth isn't about earning more, it's about saving more, avoiding unnecessary debt, and making smart investments. Explores the habits and traits of millionaires, dispelling myths about wealth. Emphasizes frugality, hard work, and financial discipline. Wealth is built by living below your means and consistently saving and investing. 5. A Random Walk Down Wall Street by Burton G. Malkiel. This classic book explains the principles of investing, covering everything from stocks and bonds to real estate and other asset classes. Malkiel advocates for passive investing through index funds and explains why active management often underperforms. The book demystifies market trends, bubbles, and long-term strategies. If you want to learn about diversified investing and avoid common mistakes, this book is an excellent starting point. The markets are unpredictable, but a long-term, diversified portfolio of low-cost index funds is the best strategy for most investors. Avoid trying to time the market and focus on consistency. Offers an introduction to investing in stocks, bonds, real estate, and other asset classes. Advocates for passive investing through index funds. Markets are efficient, and a long-term, diversified portfolio is the best strategy for most investors. Which one resonates most with your current goals? Additional thoughts: each of these books caters to different aspects of financial literacy and investment strategies. If you're new to finance, start with Rich Dad Poor Dad for an engaging, motivational introduction. If you want a practical guide to managing money and achieving independence, Your Money or Your Life is transformative. For those ready to dive deep into investing, The Intelligent Investor and A Random Walk Down Wall Street provide solid frameworks. Finally, The Millionaire Next Door teaches you the mindset and habits to build wealth sustainably. Final boost: remember, every like and subscribe helps this community grow stronger. Together, we can make financial freedom a reality for everyone who's ready to take action. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.